guys! For today's video, mag-house tour kami! And I'm with Kylie and I'm with Rika. And sisimulan na natin ang ating pag-house tour. Arat na! And first is, nandyan yung bed ni
Wow, cameraman.
namin. And we have projector here.
Here, parang
TV.
TV.
And this is Merry Christmas and an
Merry
Happy New Year.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Wala. This is my coffee gels. Parang office yan. This is my office. And dyan yung mga papers. Yeah. Sometimes and nandyan yung phone ko kasi charging.
Yeah.
Charging. This is sala. Yan. Ito ang sala namin. Ito yung sala. Ito yung sala namin. We have this. Cushion. 5 cushion. And upuan. Yan guys.
Nag-house tour pa
And
rin.
dito guys,
Anong oras kayo matatapos din sa sala?
and this is the electric fan. Electric fan. And this is the TV, Wi-Fi. And ubod na ang aming super ubos. Nakita yung tissue. And this is na aming toy. Stop toy. Edge. Come on guys. Come on. This aming egg. And this is super bed.
Yeah, super bed. Cause
This is
it's for 2 people, but you can use 4 people. This.
this is
Our mirror.
huh?
Electric fan.
Electric fan.
Electric.
And this is our playset, and this is our dog.
This is a dog.
Cutest dog.
A cute dog. And this is a This is a pico. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a pico from
Flying tiger.
And a room
Playroom.
playroom. This is the
Kitchen. Ay!
kitchen.
Table.
Hi guys, my name is Adrian. Kakadating ko lang.
Yeah.
From school. Yeah.
Hindi talaga ako nag-school. You're a liar.
Supplies. Multiplier.
Ayan, yung rep namin, walang tubig kasi di pa kami nakapag-refill.
Dito ang cooking namin. Cookies. And dito ang aming
Paset.
you need to wash after you cook.
Shoot! The cooking.
And 2 cooking. Isa dito. And dito naman ang
cabinet.
mga damit. Dito ang ating mga damit.
And we have treadmill there.
No.
Ito, dito guys, puro Gucci lang po yung mga damit namin. At saka po mga
Vuitton.
Chanel, mga Louis Vuitton po. Ganun lang po yung mga damit namin. Yung mga ginagamit po namin sa school na jacket. So, napakita ko na po yung rep pag yun na po siya pansinin. So, dito po siya. Ayan.
Okay, this is the
Ayan na. And this is the display. And the mirror. Yan. Yung CR.
And come on, guys, come on.
CR namin medyo magulo.
This is a bed from ate. This is naman,
CR namin medyo ugly.
Kasi,
Ikat na lang po namin.
Is a
This is a bike na hindi na nagagamit.
And tara sa taas. Tara tayo sa taas. Andiyan, yan.
Dito, may aircon siya dito. Try mo buksan ng konti. Try mo buksan sa gilid.
Ito yung mga ano dyan.
Okay. Ano yan? Ako na yan magagalit. Ako na yan, So,
Magsisimula kami.
ang pangalan po ulit namin ay, my name is AJ Piballe.
My name is Rica Mariam Binaga. My name is Kylie A. Padilla.
Kylie A.
Badye po pala.
And dito na po nagtatapos
ang
ang aming
aming
vlog.
vlog.
Bye-bye!
Subscriber. And mag-like
Link to the
100
Ano?
subscribers.
Yeah!
Copy link and
Ano?
notification po tayo.
Be.
I-ano niya pa. I-like po ang nasa baba.
Mag-subscribe po kayo. Bye-bye!